Today is Tuesday, July 9th, and this is your forecast for the northeastern United States. And yesterday, if you were paying attention to some of the weather headlines, Hurricane Beryl made landfall along the coastal side of Texas there, along the Gulf Coast. Well, now the remnants of Beryl are racing off to the northeast, and we're going to feel the impacts from that tomorrow. And I am a bit concerned that some of the showers and thunderstorms that we see developing tomorrow could produce a lot of rain in a short period of time, and that's going to increase the flood threat going into tomorrow. We're talking about the potential for some flash flooding. That's the type of flooding that happens not just on your typical streams and rivers and whatnot, but that could happen right down the middle of your neighborhood with very little notice. So that's what we're looking out for tomorrow. The remnants of Beryl will arrive. We'll see scattered showers and some thunderstorms that really get going later in the morning through the afternoon, and there's the potential that some of those showers and storms could lead to flash flooding. That's because the available amount of moisture is capable of producing 1 to 2, even 2.5 inches of rain within just 1 hour. There's no drainage system anywhere in the world that can handle that much water in that short of a period of time. So as we head into tomorrow, we'll be on the lookout for that. Today, though, it is hot, it is humid. We're already off to a warm start in the city. We're going to peak around 90 tomorrow afternoon, or today, actually, and tomorrow. We're going to see those heat index values climbing to as high as 100 degrees. So once again, we're dealing with heat advisories. And then we'll see maybe a passing storm that will cool down a few of us into this evening. Temperatures across the entire state of New York are climbing into the low 90s this afternoon. A little bit cooler out there in Buffalo, maybe Lake Erie helping out a little bit, but when you factor in the humidity, everyone's well into the 90s, or at least feeling like it, and in some cases feeling like it's near 100 degrees. Tonight, with a front lifting through and the remnants of Beryl approaching, some heavier showers and thunderstorms coming in for Syracuse, Buffalo, and Columbus, and that's really the same throughout western Pennsylvania, so you can throw Pittsburgh in there as well. And then these remnants are going to continue to race off to the east. This is where it is today. It races off to the northeast, and that's why tomorrow I think there is that increased flash flood threat. So just be wary of that for tomorrow. All right, here's a look at the forecast. Yes, there's a chance for showers and storms from tomorrow right through the weekend. But any one of these could produce very heavy rain, which is why I do think there's a flood threat. And honestly, it's not just tomorrow, but it peaks tomorrow and then kind of lingers through Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Temperatures, when it's not raining, when it's not thunderstorming, are going to be well into the 80s, heat index values into the 90s. So that is your Tuesday morning weather report. I hope you all have a great day. Remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.